Good morning, children. Today we shall learn about integers. We already know what are counting numbers or natural numbers. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Same way, what are whole numbers? The whole numbers are natural numbers along with 0. So, 0 and counting numbers together become whole numbers. Understood? Now, you may think, do we need other numbers too? Let us see. You must be watching weather report on TV during winter times. You might have heard like this: temperature in Ladakh went below 0 degrees Celsius. That is, it went 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So, is there any number less than 0? And why do we need it? Let us see about this. This is Mohan's house, which is single floored on the ground level. Now he wants more rooms. For that he needs to add another floor to the house. How can he do it? This is the way he could add one more floor on the top of the existing floor. And there is one more way to do it. How? Let us see. Instead of adding on the top, he could also add one floor below the existing floor. Now, what is the difference between these? Here there is a floor above the ground level. Here there is a floor below the ground level. Can we represent this using numbers? Yes, we can represent. Let us see how. Since it is in the ground level, so we can call it as ground floor. Let us call that ground floor is level 0. He added one more floor. It is called as first floor. We can call it as level 1. What about the floor existing below the ground level? How can we call this? Which level is this? Can there be more numbers less than 0? Yes, there are. We can call this as level -1. Here we are introducing the concept of negative numbers. If we increase more floors on the top of the house, it can called as level 1, level 2, level 3 and so on. Or we can call as level +1, level +2, so on. In the same way, if we increase the floor below the house, we can call as level -1, level -2, so on. Till now, we know that counting numbers are natural numbers. Actually, counting numbers are positive numbers. They are written as +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on. Now, we also know the new number. They are negative numbers. They can be written as -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Plus sign and minus sign are opposite to each other. Hence, they are used to represent opposite things in life. Such as in case of house, we seen above the ground level positive numbers, below the ground level negative numbers. Now, the time to define the integers. Integers is collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. Now you must understood how to represent the temperature 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Yes, -10 degree Celsius. Here we are having two temperature. One is less than 0, another one is greater than 0. Here negative sign is used to represent less than 0 numbers. Here there is no sign, also considered as positive numbers. Positive sign is used to represent greater than 0 numbers. Remember that integer does not have fraction or decimal part. This 1.5 liter is a decimal number. Integer can be positive or negative number or 0. Now tell what is integer. Integer is collection of whole number and negative numbers. That was all about integers. Bye bye children.